check out this high strength, very compact foldable dolly. And you can do it a couple different ways. The first way, obviously we have the traditional way that's going to do it. Put this handle up just like that. You know, we're going to have a regular old dolly. This guy right here will fold up too though, and fold out. And the weight of whatever you're doing it with is going to hold the dolly. Second way you're going to be able to use this is there is a connection here. See that? You're going to press this in just like that, and it's going to fold this way, which is going to pop these wheels out. So it's going to have a nice stable platform for something really heavy. In this case, I'm going to put something on here that's not that heavy, but you'll get the idea. You can see my daughter stands on it, and the reason I'm sitting down is because I wanted to show you how good these wheels work. She weighs 120, 115 pounds, and you can see I'm just using my fingers, and I'm able to move this thing around flawlessly while I'm sitting down. The wheels on this thing are going to work really, really good. She's 100 pounds, so you can put something, I think, 350, 450 pounds probably on here and be just fine. And when you're done with it, you're ready to pack it up. Go ahead, let that fall down. This right here is going to fold up that way, which is going to close these back, these front wheels right here. And that's going to fold down like that. And on the back, how the bigger wheel is going to work is this little handle right here. Just fold that up that way, and these handles are going to go that way. And look how compact this thing is. The fact that it can so effortlessly move around with my daughter on it, like I said, I'm sitting down and I use 2 fingers to move it. And it did it just fine. And you can pack this thing up, put it pretty much anywhere in your garage, in your house. It's going to get stored there until you need it again. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.